Hi, I'm Lynne Twist, and I want to invite you to join us for the Fundraising from the Heart workshop at 1440 Retreat Center in Santa Cruz. And it'll be a beautiful Friday night, Saturday afternoon, Sunday morning workshop where you will learn how to ask for money in a way that has heart and meaning and is authentic and produces unprecedented financial results for your organization. And I want to thank you for even thinking about it, and I want to push you over the edge to come, because our promise, Sarah Vetter and I, who will lead it together, is that you will be an ever more effective fundraiser, that your results will start to increase and go up and up and up, and you'll have lifetime donors that will be with you for year after year after year. Please join us.